wanted to go check on Roadrunner 2. We've been having some service work done on the boat. We actually just had the varnish all stripped. So this was varnish that needed to be redone. But rather than recoat it with varnish, we left it raw for now. I'm finding that quite a few of my new buyers are choosing to paint this, which we do at the factory quite often. So I can paint some or all of this teak with Allcraft 2000 that matches the superstructure. And it's just less varnish to do. I do love the look of the varnish, but it is a lot of work. Quite a few of my customers are painting the bow and then leaving it varnished back here in the cockpit area. So this would, we could build up varnish coats and put clear on here, and it would look the same color. You're going to see this table. So when this natural teak is varnished, it comes out this color. But it is work to keep it like this. It has to be maintenance coats every 8 months to a year down here in Florida. Really needs to be stripped every 4 or 5 years. So it is expensive and it is time consuming, but it is beautiful. So that's really up to the new owner. We also had some staining up here in the VIP. Way up in the bow of the boat, there's a windlass, and there's 4 switches for the windlass, and all of those can be source of a leak. And in this case, we had some leaking in the windlass, and it was staining the teak veneer that was on that front panel. So rather than put teak back, which is susceptible to it happening again someday, we think we fixed the leak, but things happen. And this is just an area where we know if there's going to be water in the boat, there's lots of opportunity in the bow up there where there's holes in the deck and that bow gets stuffed into the water on a bad day. So rather than putting teak back, we use this matching headliner material. We'll have to iron that out a little bit, but it'll look perfect when we're done. But I think it's a really great way to solve a water staining issue like that. Rather than putting a bunch of time and effort into a teak, you'll never miss that was teak before and it's not now. You'll have a mattress here and a couple of pillows here, so it's going to look great. It's going to be easier to live with and much less likely to happen again should there be another leak. We recovered the table up here as well. Revarnished it. So we actually removed these tables. We've got a varnish shop where we can control the environment and spray these, and they look great with not too much labor. So beautiful Nautilus inlay. This is ebony. This is maple. Really a beautiful table. So this boat's getting all fixed up and ready for the next owner.